everybody, it's Catherine. Welcome to my channel if you're new here. If you're a returner, thanks. Good to see you again. I have more interviews for my day job today and tonight, so I thought y'all could get ready with me for a more business pro look. I thought I would use some of my new purchases from the Sephora haul as well as the Armani sales. So before we get started, please make sure to hit subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you can be alerted when I post new videos, and make sure to follow me on Instagram. So let's get started. So I've already prepped my skin with my moisturizer, my serums, of course my Lumière series. I got my Mer Soft Cream moisturizer, my hyaluronic acid by Skinceuticals, Lumière treatment lotion, and Sisley Caviar Luxe eye cream. I'm going to put on my Giorgio Armani Hydrating Luminous Silk Primer. And use my sponge. This is dampened. It's obviously also attacked by my cat, but it's a beauty blender sponge. Now I'm going to apply my Luminous Silk Armani in 4.5 that I just purchased. I used to wear this prior to using my Crema Nuda Armani. This gives just a little bit more coverage, so I thought I'd try it again. Crema Nuda is a more sheer application, lighter coverage. It's okay to use the same sponge for the entire application process. I'm going to take my Stila 16 double-ended flat brush, go in with my McGrath palette, my NARS number 12 with Nude Dip Tom Ford. I'm going to take the light shade. Then I'm taking my Sigma E30 and the slightly darker Nude Dip. Actually, this isn't Nude Dip, this is Honeymoon. I'm sorry, Honeymoon. Just go in and fan back and forth just in the crease. I'm actually going to take my finger, the darker shade, and I'm going to put this aside because I'm going to need it again in a bit. Then I'm taking my new Luminous Silk in number 4 concealer that I got at the Sephora haul, VIB sale. Taking my Chantecaille loose powder in Ray and my Huda Face Bacon Blend brush. First I'm going to smooth this out a little. Then I'm going to take it, get the loose powder, pat, 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 pat. Just let it sit a minute. Gucci bronzer. Stila in 8. I'm just going to go right above the hollow. Make sure you go up to the ear. So this is my bronzer, so this is where the sun would hit my face. Then I'll use my new Tom Ford in Frantic Pink that I got at the Sephora. Now with my blending brush in my Kevyn Aucoin Super Soft Buff Powder Blush. And circular motions to kind of buff it all out. And I get my Tom Ford Honeymoon palette again. Go back in with my Sonia G Smudger 1 brush, and again, a slightly darker shade. I'm gonna buffer brush. This is a Luxie 231 small tapered blending. Just kind of blend it all together so there's no lines of demarcation. Just for fun, I'm going to take my Armani 11 Glow Enhancer. I like to just put it on the back of my hand like that, and then I take 2 fingers, kind of tap, tap, tap. So I'm getting and then I'm going to go just to the top of my cheeks, kind of blend it down. I then take a little bit and blend again ever so slightly. You don't want to wipe it all off, so it's just I'm going to take my new Marc Jacobs Magic Marker in Blacquer. Okay, then I'm taking my Kevyn Aucoin Brunette eyebrow pencil. And I got one with my spoolie. Just kind of blend out. Tom Ford and Espresso Fiber Brow Gel number 4. Lancôme Eyelash Primer. Today I'm just going to use my Armani Icicle Classico in black. Alright, and now my favorite part, which is the highlighter. I don't know why I love this part so much, maybe because of the cool fan brush, but anyway, this is the Sigma Strobing Fan in F42, and I'm using my Chanel Perles de Lumière, which I hate almost using because when I use the brush on it, it's going to take away that cute emblem. Alright, now for lips. I'm going to use my Pat McGrath contour, which I apparently need to sharpen. Now I'm going to take my brush. This is the Firma 201. Blend that out a bit. Then my Armani, since I'm going with the Armani theme today, in number 4. Obviously need to sharpen my pencils. And I haven't gotten any Armani lipsticks in a bit. I was trying to remember if I even got any glosses. But I haven't in a bit. I actually had gotten one and it wasn't the right color. I am going to go with the gloss that I got at the Sephora sale. This was the duo Fenty Gloss Bomb Cream Double Take Lip Duo in Bubble Binge and Cupcakin. Let's start with Cupcakin and see how that looks. A little less bold. Alright, so looking at my finished look here, I feel like I need a bit more color, so. And this was my NYX professional makeup brush in 2. Alright, so that's my finished look. Mainly Armani, but some extras from the Sephora sale. So I hope my demo gave you some ideas on what some of these colors look like and maybe some options you might want to try in the future. Just for fun, I'm going to throw on a little of the other. Look how bright this is. Like, I love the shade of this. It just seems so bold for me, especially for work. But just to see for fun, let's throw on a little bit. do love these glosses though. They're kind of sheer, but with a little bit of opacity. They're a little bit opaque, and very creamy, very shiny. They don't get sticky. Been really impressed with these. And not too expensive. $29 for 2 glosses, not bad. But so that's the other darker shade, of course blended, probably muted down a bit with the Cupcakin, but there you go. Obviously my hair's not really done, but you get the gist. My name's Catherine. Thanks for stopping by my channel. If you liked the content, please hit the like button because it really helps me out. Also, please join me. Please subscribe and hit me up on Instagram. I love to try new products. I love to try new fragrances. I can't afford them all, so a lot of times it's samples, but you know, you make it work. So I hope y'all are doing well and staying safe, and I'll see y'all soon.